how do I check battery health on Samsung phones? So if you want to check battery health on Samsung phone or any other Android devices, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. You will have all of the battery health option on your settings. So once you've opened your settings, you need to go for the search, which is on the upper right, and then you need to search for battery health. And once you've searched for battery health, if you get the battery health option, you can simply tap on the battery health and open up that. Once you've opened, you will get all of the information about your battery health or your battery life. But if you don't have the battery health option, then what you can do is you can simply install any third-party application. You can go for the Play Store, and then you will have many applications which will provide you the battery health if you don't have that on your settings. So in some Android phones you will not have that battery health option, but in Samsung phones you will have that option. So if you don't have that option, go for the Play Store and search for any battery health applications, and then you can install and you can check your battery health. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.